Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use S608 for one-click addressing and verification. The S608 manual describes the chips that can be addressed. We select the corresponding chip in the hardware selection of Seekway LED Player. Output SD file. Select one-click addressing here. Output SD effect fail and copy the card. After copying the card, insert the SD card into the card slot and turn on the controller. We click on Setting. Find Configure Address, start addressing. If the addressing is successful, we can also see the screen display addressing success. Add check. The display is normal. Thank you for your time. See you on the next tutorial video.